Java also has assignment operators. The most basic assignment operator is the equals sign. We have seen this already when we were assigning a value to our variables. There are combined assignment operators as well. The arithmetic operators that we just saw are combined with the assignment. This way, a variable gets updated and assigned at the same time. Here are the assignment operators: equals, plus equals, minus equals, times equals, divided by equals, and modulus equals. Let's have a quick look at how this works in IntelliJ. Please mind that these still have two operands. So actually, in the previous example, there are already plenty of examples of the assignment operator. Namely, simply saying int, and let's go for number 3 over here, equals 7, is usage of the assignment operator already. Why? Well, equal sign is an assignment operator. We are assigning the value 7 to number 3 in this example. Let's also create a number 4, which is going to be 70. And then let's update number 3 by saying that's going to be the result of whatever number 3 is with number 4 added to it. So this is an assignment operator. We are both increasing and assigning. So we say number 3 plus number 4 and assign this to number 3. So then afterwards, if you want to print number 3, you'll see that the value is going to be 77. A similar thing can be done with the others as well. For example, the minus equals. Running this will result into negative 63. So, as I mentioned, these still have two operands. In this case, on line 21, number 4 and number 3 are both operands. In the next video, we're going to have a look at the unary operator.